Hello, good day, and welcome to everyone joining this week's Make It Snappy session. You are here with Yashin from Modern One Solve, and the function I will be showing you how to work with today is the Inventor Extend tool. So the Extend tool is quite nice if you just want to quickly extend geometry and make a closed loop or fix any mistakes that you may have made whilst sketching. So it's quite a quick and easy tool to use, and let's have a look at how it works. So for example, I start drawing a line and I want to connect it from the polygon to the top, but I miss my point. Okay, there's no point in me recreating that line. What I can do is simply use the extend tool, select the top portion of the line, and what Inventor will do is automatically bridge the gap and extend the line item. So just to go over that once again, I will start the line tool, draw it out, and I've missed my mark. Okay, so I'll use the extend command again just to fix that geometry to create a closed profile. And we can do that for the bottom as an example. Okay, so I have created my lines. Okay, and maybe I decide to do a square. So now I'd like to make a design change very quickly. I don't have to redraw this profile. I can use existing geometry. So I actually want the profile to extend to the bottom as we have seen in the top view. So at the bottom of this, what I can do is use a trim command to just remove those lines. Okay, or alternatively we could just delete it, which will be a lot quicker. And instead of having to recreate those lines, all I have to do is use the extend tool from my ribbon and extend those lines to where I want to go. So let's have a look a little bit more into the extend tool. So I can start the function, and for example on the top line of the hexagon, if I head over to the left hand side, you can see the line will then extend to the left. It goes to the next segment to close it off. Okay, so it always extends to the next available piece of geometry in the same direction that the line was created. And if I move my cursor towards the right hand side of the line, it will extend towards the right extension line of the square. And I can do the same for the bottom. Okay, there you go. That's how the extend tool works inside of the sketching environment. Very easy tool to use, and I hope you enjoyed that session. Please head over to our YouTube channel to have a look at more of the Inventor Make It Snappy session videos that we have available.